Okay, so here you go.
Ooh,
Amazing.
Yes,
thank you for the
scissors.
scissors. Alright guys, we are going to open this thing right now. I can see it's pink. I don't know what it is. It can be a castle, anything. So let's, yeah, a house. Let's open it and see what it is. I can't wait.
What could it be?
I don't know what it could be, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, lots of imagination. A fairy.
A fairy? That's too big for a fairy to
I know. I
enter.
think it's a pink train set.
Pink train set?
Oh, I know. It's a house. Dollies, of course.
I don't know about that.
Let's try.
Careful with that scissors.
Whoa! I can see it. It is pink. Like real. Look, it's pink.
I can't see it. I can't see it.
See?
Can I see it? It's still
Dude, wait.
pink.
Yeah, you see when you open. Hi guys, we're watching too. I can't wait to see what is inside there. Yeah. Oh, this is our new friend. Her name is Chi Chi. Yeah. Hi guys. I'm the new doll friend, Chi Chi. Yeah, I can't wait to meet all of you guys. But you already met them, you know. Oh yeah. Well, I can't wait to see what's inside.
Yeah, me too.
Ooh,
The dolls. Can you wait? You know what's
It's a-
inside dolls?
It looks
I
like
don't know.
a castle and a house too.
Apple and a house. Oh,
I
it
think
looks very pink.
Wow.
Wow, I can see. It's like
It's like it's gonna be a good kitchen set.
It's
the kitchen set, guys. I can't wait to see the whole thing.
I can't wait.
What do we have inside?
What
Yeah,
is inside? It's interesting. Oh, ooh, oh.
Hey,
oh,
when do we?
some stuff. Look, guys, we have this.
Whoa.
Here is what's inside.
Whoa.
This is like the cooking.
No, I think this is the
See,
steak.
look. Did you have the oven stuff?
The
You
oven.
see all these stuff right here.
What was this stuff?
Yeah, I think this is the cooking stuff.
so complicated to combine to each other.
This is what. Oh, you can put back in. There's some in-
Oh, what are these?
Here are some stuff too.
Are they for
Mine, you
bathroom
use nylon.
stalls?
Here, go, see one, please. There we go.
It looks like an alien is here.
Whoa! Spoon, fork, knife, guys, look at this! Spoon, fork, knife, every single thing that was inside here. Even plate, a spatula, everything.
Can I see?
Wow. I've never
I think I've seen
done
pieces
You
before.
even fry fork, everything. See your mom. All right.
Whoa, everything you
Oh
wanted.
my
This
goodness.
even looks better than a train set.
I know.
Wow.
That's I'll say almost better.
First, set the other
Is there
stuff.
manual?
No, I don't.
A book to check how to set?
Nope. There is no.
What about that paper there?
These are the ingredients as for food.
Okay, let's see if we can set.
Wow.
So
Mine
like,
is like a big knife. That's so funny. Here you go.
they.
Not one.
People, here's the ketchup.
The place.
So I have to like set this ketchup up. Let's fold these pieces
Okay.
first.
Move your chair inside so they can see you.
I have to fold here.
More inside.
Now we have to also fold right here too. Then we also fold here as well. And fold right here. Fold here. Fold these two places. 1, 2. Fold here. 1, 2, 3. And I also like folding here too because it has a place to fold here. Now we have to now start to combine them. First thing I have to put these stuff in between these small holes. I like to bend them like this. Hold, enter. Come out.
There's one more pot there.
I got it.
Guys,
Is there a place for battery?
battery, yes there
What
is.
kind of battery does he use?
Oh,
So I can check and see what I can do.
Oh, it actually closes really well.
Wow.
Here's number
While my
1.
sister's doing this, I saw another place that needs this.
Oh yeah, that's one goes to the other side right here.
I'll do it.
Oh, don't worry. And now, that's gonna go
Why can't I
here.
put my hand in the fry?
Fold here.
Got it. Oh.
Guys, look what I have. Delicious ketchup. Do you like ketchup? Well, I love ketchup.
Who wants some ketchup stew?
Ooh, yeah, that's true. Like these stews just start inside here, just pour them. And now we need one of the stews. Oops, look at this. Oh, that's so funny.
I mean this
Alright. Oh yeah, that was super important
or
too.
this?
Yeah. Oh look! Some delicious food are here.
What is that?
We
me
have chicken, fries, and some peas and stuff. That's the first one. And we have another combination. This is, well, coffee, I suppose.
Coffee? Can I see?
Here.
Yeah.
There you go.
My chicken is
Coffee
here.
is
Hey, look. I can. Pass me this
I
thing.
need to. I think coffees are for grown-ups.
Oh, so yummy.
Look at these stickers.
That's more melted.
Fold here and fold here.
Who wants some?
No.
I want some.
So friends, we have set our kitchen table. How does it look? Pink, cup, spoon, spatula, fork, everything, ketchup and coffee, plates, pots and pans, everything is here. Well, actually, I'm getting hungry. Are you guys getting hungry?
Oh,
yeah,
Lord.
I'm very hungry.
Well, since allow the cook to cook whatever you want, I'll cook curry for you, and I'll
Aw.
cook. I shall.
Wait. Can I have something else?
Then I'll cook you vegetable soup, and I'll cook you applesauce.
Applesauce. Wait.
Don't worry,
Can I have
it's just
something else? Like cake?
no.
Is cake okay?
No.
Come on!
First, it's on this one.
Whoa! That's so cool. Can I put my hand on the fire top?
Don't even think of it. It's dangerous.
Here's a spatula.
Let him see the fire.
Right here.
Can I try?
Here's the fire.
Office, move his office and on it back.
I'll take the spatula out.
Some ketchup. Well, guys.
Fire.
Huh?
Put
Can we put the spatula?
Spots.
Alright.
The spatula.
Okay, so for your applesauce, you should like to cook sometime, and for your vegetable soup too.
Use a spatula.
Can I help?
You do vegetable soup.
Hey, can I help too?
That's
Well,
gross.
guys, thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe and come and join us to eat our delicious dish. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, give me one of the pets now.
No, I want to eat.
Wait, the peanut was ready.
Come on, can you hurry up? Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Okay guys, thank you.
No.
Bye.